This is a full color wireless 2K video security kit from Tenda. This kit contains every accessory that is required to fully set up this wireless camera system. Therefore, in this video, I will take you through all the contents of this package, including the features and uses of each content in this package. Here is a lineup of the wireless cameras in the package. As you can see, each camera comes with two antennas that facilitates wireless connection with an included wireless NVR in this package. Here is a microphone on each camera through which one can speak through the camera in a two-way conversation. This spot accommodates a micro SD card and a reset button. But the SD card to be placed in here is only meant for upgrading the firmware of the camera and does not support video storage. The camera also comes with a speaker to give sound from the camera. This is the power port of the camera through which power is fed into the camera. Here is also an auto negotiation Ethernet port for connecting devices such as routers and switches to the camera. This is a wireless network video recorder included in the wireless video security package. It comes with various ports for various purposes. This screw here has been provided to facilitate the tying of an earthing connection to the NVR in order to reduce the risk of an electrical shock when handling the NVR. This is the power port through which you can plug in power into the NVR. This is a LAN port that allows for the connection of either a local area network or internet connection into the NVR. And this is also an HDMI port. It is to be used in connecting monitors that have HDMI input. You can alternatively use this VGA port for screens that use VGA connection. The last one here is a USB port, and that is used primarily to connect your USB mouse or any other USB enabled device. Below the NVR, these are the screws to loose in order to open the NVR whenever you want to fix a drive into the NVR for recording purposes. These are also the points where the screws of the recording drive will be locked and tightened. And finally, these two grooves you see here are meant for hanging the NVR on a wall if you so desire. Here are power adapters provided for supplying power to each of the four cameras. The fifth adapter is meant for providing power to the wireless NVR. Also included are waterproof protection kits. These are to be used in protecting the terminals of the cameras from water and moisture coming into contact with vital terminals of the camera. Here is an HDMI cable to be used in connecting the wireless NVR to a monitor that has an HDMI input. Also provided in the package is a 1 meter Ethernet cable to be used in establishing connection between a router or a switch and the wireless NVR. This is also a screw kit to be used in field mounting the cameras. And here is also a mouse. This is an installation template for marking the points at which screws will be placed at the surfaces where the cameras will be installed. Last but not the least is a surveillance sticker to serve as a notice of the presence of security cameras in the premise where the cameras are to be installed. Please join me in the next video as we see how to fully install these cameras from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching. Please visit my channel at www.youtube.com/@tech_inside_out and you'll get more videos on that channel. Thank you so much for watching.